Hey guys, this is Justin with Duraclutch, and today we're going to do the install of our full complete Duraclutch kit on the 2022 RZR 1000. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I took the bottom bolt mount off this shock so that it can move freely, and it just goes to the side and can be set out of the way. And then there's a hose clamp here that comes off, and that'll allow us to pull this duct off. And then there's 8 bolts that run around the outside of the cover, and I've taken all off but 2 just to speed it up. We'll pull these couple off. And that will let us take the cover off, and we are to the clutches. So once we've got the cover off, I've tied this up just to get it out of the way, and that way it makes it a little bit easier to work on these. We're going to start with taking the primary off, so the first thing we'll do is remove this bolt. And we're going to put in the clutch puller, and this is SVI part number 25-127. And that will let us pull off the primary clutch. And we'll just take the belt off with it because we're not going to end up reusing either of those. First thing we're going to do then is put on the Duraclutch secondary, and there's no shims, no washers or anything. This is just going to slide right on. That's going to come with a new bolt and washer with the kit, and it also comes with blue Loctite, so we're going to make sure to put that on the bolt. And then this threads right in. The torque spec on this is going to be 45 foot-pounds. We're going to go ahead and put the belt on, and then we can move on to the primary. And this tool here comes with the kit, so all we need to do is slide the belt on and then use this to open it up enough so that the belt will slide down into the secondary. And then we can go ahead and put the primary clutch on. And that comes with new hardware as well that comes in the kit. So the torque spec on the primary clutch is going to be 60 foot-pounds. I've stuck a bar through here to be able to hold on the frame. You can run it through the primary. The biggest thing is not to run through the tower where the buttons slide. You want to go through the open gap here, down through another gap. Once both clutches are put on, you'll be able to take the secondary and spin it, as long as it's in park or neutral, and that will let the belt seat back into shape on the secondary and then also in the primary. And from there you should be good to start reassembly, which will just be putting on the cover, the ducting, and putting back on this shock. So once we have the kit installed, you'll be able to start the machine. The secondary clutch may spin a little bit, but that's okay. We recommend a 5 to 10 mile break-in period just to work all the inner components and get them all broken in. There is a good set of instructions that'll come with the kit as well. If you have any questions after that, you can always go on our website or shoot us an email.